WordPress staging on A2 Hosting's Managed WordPress. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage a staging environment on A2 Hosting's Managed WordPress platform. This demo assumes you've already logged in to your Plesk control panel. Click the WordPress link in the left margin. Then select the WordPress site you want to stage. In the Developer Tools section, click Clone this instance. Create a new staging subdomain in which the cloned copy of your site will be located. Then click OK. That's it. The new staging site has been set up. Let's go take a look. Here we can see the new staging site listed in our list of WordPress sites. Use your staging site to make changes to your website and test it before going live with it. Then, when ready to go live, click to Sync Data with another instance. Select the target WordPress instance, the main site you want to upload your changes to. You can then define exactly what content you want to copy, just your files, just your database, or both. When ready, click OK. It's a good idea to create a restore point in case you want to revert your changes. That's it. Our staging site has been copied to the target site, thus making any changes we made go live. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create a staging environment for your site with WordPress Toolkit.
To check out A2's Managed WordPress platform, visit a2hosting.com/managedwp.